Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Zendesk to improve support and increase sales step by step clearly. To start, log into your Zendesk account. Navigate to the Admin Center. In the sidebar, locate the Channels section. Click on Email to manage your support email settings. Add or configure the support email address you want to use. Ensure ticket forwarding is set up to enable seamless communication. Next, go to the web widget under the Channels section. Customize the appearance and behavior of the widget to match your branding. Enable the chat feature to provide real-time support for customers. Next, integrate Zendesk with your existing CRM or e-commerce platform. Locate the Apps section in the Admin Center. Browse or search for integrations that suit your business needs. Install the application and follow the setup instructions. Once integrated, configure settings to ensure data sync between platforms. Now, let's set up analytics to track support efficiency. Navigate to the Reports section. Choose the key metrics you want to monitor, like ticket resolution time and customer satisfaction. Create custom dashboards to visualize these metrics effectively. After setting up reports, focus on automating responses. Access the Triggers section. Create triggers for common inquiries to streamline response times. Next, set up macros for frequently used responses. This will help your support team respond quickly and consistently. Now, enable ticket routing to assign requests to the appropriate agent. In the Routing section, define rules based on ticket volume or request types. Regularly review and modify these rules as needed for efficiency. Lastly, offer training for your support team. Ensure they are familiar with all tools and processes within Zendesk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.